Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the file couldn't open in protected view here in your Microsoft Excel in your laptop or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first step is here at the bottom search bar, we need to search for Microsoft Excel or Excel itself. Go with open the moment you see the best matched and wait until you are being redirected to the Microsoft Excel itself. Here you need to go with blank workbook. And the moment you've clicked on it, you need to proceed to the upper left side of your screen. You can see there an option called File. Click on it. And here you need to scroll down and next to Account, you can see there options. Click on it so that you would be able to see this new window which called Excel options. Now at the left side of it, you can see there a list of the options. Go to the last one which is Trust Center. And there you can see an option again which is Trust Center Settings. Okay, so again at the Trust Center window, you need to proceed to the left side of your screen and then there you go. You can see an option called Protected View under of it. Now here you would need to uncheck all of this, enable Protected View for files originating from the internet, then as well as the second, enable Protected View for files located in potentially unsafe locations, as well as this enable Protected View for Outlook attachments. And once you are done with unchecking all of those, just have to click on OK to apply and then there you go. You can now access the file without the protected view error. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.